Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today, I'll be showing you how to customize your profile and your application on the Webex app. On the upper left-hand corner, you will see your profile. You can go to Edit Profile, where it's going to show you this little card, which is a preview of how your profile looks as of the moment. This is where you can upload your profile picture. Once you press upload picture, it's going to show a pop-up. You could choose whatever picture that you would want displayed on your profile. You could change the display name, how it looks like when you open this, and how it looks like to other people on your team or on your group. And then you could also choose a cover image of what it would look like when they see your profile. And then once you're happy with your changes, you could just press save. And if you want to change how the Webex app looks like, the layout, you could just go to settings. You could go to appearance and you could just choose here if you want to do dark mode, light mode, any color, jade light, lavender dark, lavender light. If you're on a meeting, you could always press this to always use a dark theme on your meetings. If you don't have it checked, it's going to go to the default theme that you would have. You could also choose the skin tone of the reaction buttons that you would have. And you could also enable or disable hand gestures. And then once you're happy with your changes again, you could just press save. It's going to ask you to restart Webex to show your changes that you have made to your app layout. That's it. That's how you change your layout and your profile on the Webex app.